All right, today we're going to be taking off the center console just to do cleaning, to get all these cracks and stuff. You get coffee and dirt and grime, crackers, all sorts of stuff. So first of all, those can come out. Those are our cup holders. This can come out right here. And all these are held in with little snaps. All right, so I had to remember how to do this. You kind of have to curl your fingernails. If you get the interior pry bar, so I push with my thumbs, get my fingers under there, and that pops out. So there's that. That's great to get in there and clean all that out. Our next piece is this. So this comes out, and this is literally just pops out. This is so good for cleaning. That when I figured this out, I was so stoked to get in here and clean, because you can get all in here and get that cleaned out, make it look real nice. So that's that. So we got this, you can clean all in there. Probably should have done a little bit better job on that. Another thing you can do is if you get crud in here, that comes out too. So great little tip there. So this is a 2014 Toyota Tacoma center console removal. You know, if you need to do repair work, look, everything's there. But to put it back in, let's put this back in. So there are these 4 tongs, and you kind of have to push. And there it is. Yep. So that's secure. Then putting this guy back in, feed it through the shifter. Kind of have to find the right angle. You could take this off, but you know, we're just ripping this apart, getting the job done. That goes in, and this big thick side goes towards the front of the vehicle. Put our cup holders back in. And there it is, how to take off your center console. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.